Stop digging through LifterLMS reporting every time someone asks how the course is going. Get a clean progress report in chat. Here's the result. A roster for hosting at Casa Corral, name, email, % complete, and who finished. LifterLMS reporting shows the same spread, 0, 25, 50, and a full finish. This is the free WPVibe cookbook recipe. A beginner user's job once LifterLMS is connected and students are enrolled. Paste the prompt with your course name. It only reads in caps large rosters at 50 by default. I drop that into my AI, it pulls the roster and each student's progress, then writes the table with totals. Nothing on the site changes, Lifter still owns Mark Complete, so the report only counts finished lessons. Grab the full prompt free in the WPVibe cookbook, run it on your connected site, and subscribe for more WordPress AI recipes.